A true romantic. A lady boss. A quiet nerd. Or an edgy girl. What lipstick would you go for? Let's copy the TikTok challenge. Can you smudge a strip of lipstick all over your lips? Easy! This shopping spree was a success. I bought so many new kinds of lipstick. Time to try them out. Hey, how about doing your whole makeup with only lipstick? Challenge accepted. Apply beige lipstick under your eyes as concealer. Blend it well. Use brown lipstick for contouring. Define the cheekbones. And the sides of your nose. Use a different shade of brown to do your eyebrows. Apply light brown lipstick onto the eyelids as cream eyeshadow. Do your eyeliner with a dark burgundy lipstick. Apply light lip gloss as a highlighter. Do your lips with red lipstick. Done! For the record, this makeup was only done with lipstick. I love glitter! Oof! I think this is too much. I don't need a glitter mask. I only wanted to have glittery lips. You can just make a sparkly lipstick so you don't have to get this wild. Melt chapstick in a microwave. Add makeup glitter to it. Stir it well and pour it back into the tube. Let it harden. Draw stars on the cap. Coat them with glue and sprinkle with glitter. There you go! Doing glittery lips like this is much quicker and easier. I can use my tasty Coca Cola lipstick while I'm waiting for my friend. Take clear lipstick out of the tube and microwave it. Put a little decorative Coca Cola bottle into the tube. Add Coca Cola flavoring to the lipstick. Pour the lipstick back into the tube and wait for it to harden. Decorate the tube with sparkly red tape and a printed Coca Cola label. And here's my friend. Want some Mentos? Yeah, sure. Oh gosh, the Mentos in my Coca Cola lips are having a chemical reaction. Next time, I'll be smarter. Want some Mentos? No! I remember that I have lipstick on. You should try out my Coca Cola lipstick. Did you smudge your lipstick on a date? Whoops! I can't take a selfie looking like this. Hold on, I'll be right back. But the lipstick turned out to be a very stubborn and persistent enemy. Nothing can make it come off. Even a sponge! That's it, lipstick! You are driving me crazy! I'm taking drastic action! I'll take my iconic lipstick remover. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 2 spoons of children's shampoo. Cover the mix with distilled water. Stir it well and pour it on top of a stack of cotton pads. Paint drips all over the container. Attach a lipstick sticker to the cap. Any lipstick will give up when I use this product. Finally! Hello! Did you miss me? Oh no! Lipstick again?
What?
Phew! I was just seeing things! Did you put dark lipstick on your lips? Why stop? Put it on your nails as well. Hi, Meg! Oh, your lipstick is smudged. You need to fix the lower lip. Hang on, I'll just move a finger along my lip and it's done. Wow, is this some nail witchcraft? Hey, can I get your number? Where are you going? You forgot your lipstick. Hand broke my heart. By the way, that's a pretty good idea. Cut a heart in pink lipstick using a modeling tool. Here, I'm giving you back your lipstick. What happened to it? Oh, a heart! This is the cutest love confession ever! Thanks! Wow, look at your awesome colorful hair! I want some too! Take some chapstick out of its tube. Put colorful eyeshadow into it. And add glitter eyeshadow. Melt the mixture in a microwave. And pour the colored lipstick back into the tube. Attach a label that says "Lipstick for Hair" to the cap. Decorate the cap with a hair extension of a matching color. Cover the connection with a suede cord. Put the hair extension into a ponytail and trim it. Make different shades of lipstick. Hair lipstick? I haven't heard of anything like this before. Of course not, because this is my own invention. You have to apply the lipstick onto your brush. Hey, it doesn't work! Of course it doesn't, because it's a prank! You should have seen your face! I'll do my makeup quickly. Oh no! The lights went out! Ah, gosh! My friend just wanted to show me her new invention. Lava lipstick. Pour castor oil into an empty lip gloss tube. Dilute eyeshadow in some glycerin. Stir it well. Add makeup glitter. Pour separate drops of the mixture into the tube with oil. Use a pipette. Close the tube. Fasten a small LED light with a rubber band and put it into the cap of the gloss. And light up the lava lamp from the bottom. Why would you scare me like that? Oh, how beautiful! I definitely need some stress-relieving lipstick after you scared me. I don't have any lipstick like this in my collection yet. My makeup is almost done. There is one last thing. What lipstick should I choose? This isn't easy, but 2 contestants are in the final round of the lipstick competition, red and burgundy. So which one will be the winner? Or maybe I should ask the spirits of my ancestors. I hope the powers of the supernatural answer my question. Let's conduct a science experiment. I'll compare the chemical components and durability indicators. I still can't decide. Well, why choose one when you can use both? Thank goodness that an ombre effect is a hot trend of the season. Did you like our lipstick life hacks? Then comment below and tell us which one of them you would use. Would you make a lipstick with Coca Cola inside, a lava lamp lipstick, or would you do glitter lips? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty life hacks from Troom.